In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to connect Slack with Facebook lead ads, so you can automatically sync your lead data. Let's get started. First, we'll need to create a new automation. Go ahead and click the Create button, then select Zap from the menu. Now let's set up what will start this automation. Click on the Trigger button to begin configuring it. Here's where you'll choose which app will kick off your automation. Click this button to open the app selector. You'll see different trigger events available for your selected app. Pick the one that matches when you want this automation to run. To access your Slack data, you'll need to connect to your account. Click here to log in and give Zapier the necessary permissions. Let's make sure everything is working properly by running a test. Click the Test Trigger button to verify the connection. Great! Now we'll set up the action part of your automation. Click here to choose what app will receive the data. You'll need to decide what happens when the trigger fires. Select the action event that matches what you want to accomplish. Just like with Slack, we need to connect your Facebook lead ads account. Click here to log in and authorize the connection. This is where you'll define how information flows between the two apps. Match up the fields from Slack to the corresponding fields in Facebook lead ads. Then hit Continue. Before we go live, let's verify this action works correctly. Click Test Step to send a test through the integration. Give your automation a meaningful name so you can easily identify it later. Just click where it says Untitled Zap at the top. Everything looks good. Now it's time to activate your integration. Click the Publish button to turn on your Zap and start automating. Perfect! You've successfully set up your Slack to Facebook lead ads integration. Your automation is now running and will handle new leads automatically.